Today we're going to see what a live round does to a blank firing adapter. Okay, so the sun has now come out. So we got an AR pointed at a block of ballistics gel, and we got a live round in a 10-round magazine. Put that in there, and then I'll be behind that boulder there, and I'll pull this string. We'll see what happens. Oh man. Okay guys, this is not what I was expecting. So the ballistics gel, nothing went in it, but it did take a good punch right there. This is what I wasn't expecting. I was expecting the blank firing adapter to break, but it busted my bird cage just clean off. For half a second, I thought it busted my barrel, and I was like, oh, barrels are tough. No, barrel's totally fine, thank heavens. But yeah, that bird cage, she done. Luckily, I use this as a thread protector anyway, and it will still function as a thread protector. So how about that? As for the blank firing adapter, to be completely honest with you, I was totally tucked behind this boulder when I shot it, so I have no clue where it went. Oh, wow. Okay, so I was hiding behind this rock here, just totally tucked in here, so nothing could have hit me. And check out this. So the blank firing adapter came back here. Ooh, she's a little worse for the wear. Also the AR, yeah, it totally just flipped over like this. I don't know if anything came back and hit it. This was already broken. I don't know when that got broke. I think a coworker broke it. Thank you very much, coworker. Bobby, specifically. Okay, so as far as the ballistics gels go, it looks, so it just got punched here, and see all this, all these gases that were not there before, and this circle of something. Not sure how that hit. But then on the inside, it does look like the blank firing adapter didn't catch everything. Looks like you can see a couple little fragments that did make only about an inch of penetration. So would you live? Probably. Would I want to be at the end of a blank fire adapter firing a live round? Absolutely not. Okay, as far as the blank firing adapter goes itself, it seemed to kind of survive, but it's really hard to tell. But this metal in the middle there, that is no longer straight at all, and something started busting out there where the hole is. This doesn't look very clean either. I can't screw it anymore, so it's totally dead. But it did seem to do a decent job of catching the bullet. Okay, so I moved I shot it over there, and the blank firing adapter was over here, and so I thought maybe the birdcage went under my truck, so I moved that, and I've been looking for it forever. But then I rewatched the video, and it looked like it didn't go quite as sharp an angle back, and then I found half of it. I haven't touched it. This is literally where it was once I saw it. I went and grabbed the camera. So that is what half of the bird cage looks like. I would have thought it would have stuck together. I looked everywhere for the rest of that flash hider for that bird cage. I have no clue where it's at, so don't fire live rounds to blank fire adapters. If you guys have any other comments on that, please put in the comments below. As always guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.